Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best Samsung phones that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. The Samsung Galaxy A26 5G 2025 is a budget-friendly smartphone designed for users who want a large AMOLED display, smooth 120Hz refresh rate, AI-powered features, and reliable daily performance without paying flagship prices. With 256GB storage, 8GB RAM, Android 15, and IP67 water resistance, this phone targets students, gamers, and everyday users looking for strong value around the $260 price point. Meet the new Samsung Galaxy A26 5G 2025, a stylish and affordable 5G smartphone featuring a massive 6.7-inch 120Hz AMOLED display, AI features, Android 15, and IP67 water resistance, all packed into a sleek black design. At around $260, the Galaxy A26 5G offers excellent value with 256GB storage, 8GB RAM, dual SIM support, and smooth 5G connectivity, making it a strong choice for users who want premium features on a budget. Stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display. The phone comes with a large Full HD Plus AMOLED display featuring a 120Hz refresh rate for smoother scrolling, gaming, and video playback. Colors look vibrant and blacks appear deep, making movies and social media content more enjoyable. Powerful storage and RAM. With 256GB internal storage and 8GB RAM, users get plenty of space for apps, photos, games, and videos while enjoying smooth multitasking performance. 5G connectivity. The Galaxy A26 supports fast 5G networks for quicker downloads, smoother streaming, and improved online gaming experiences. AI features and Android 15. Samsung includes AI-powered smart features alongside Android 15, improving battery optimization, camera enhancements, and overall system efficiency. Exynos 1280 processor. Powered by the Exynos 1280 chipset, the phone handles everyday tasks, social media, streaming, and casual gaming comfortably. IP67 water resistance. The IP67 rating protects the device from dust and accidental water splashes, adding durability for daily use. Dual SIM support. Ideal for travelers and business users, the dual SIM feature allows 2 numbers on one device. 25W fast charging. The included 25W charger helps recharge the battery quickly, reducing downtime during busy days. Pros. Large and smooth 120Hz AMOLED display. Excellent storage capacity with 256GB memory. Modern Android 15 software experience. IP67 water and dust resistance. Good value for the price. Dual SIM and 5G support. Clean Samsung UI with AI features. Cons. Exynos 1280 is decent but not ideal for heavy gaming. Camera performance may struggle in low light. Plastic body design feels less premium than flagship phones. 25W charging is good, but competitors may offer faster speeds. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy A16 4G. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S16 4G, a budget-friendly smartphone featuring a large 6.7-inch AMOLED display, smooth 90Hz refresh rate, stylish design, and reliable everyday performance. At just around $130, the Galaxy S16 4G delivers excellent value with 128GB storage, dual SIM support, a 50MP camera, and fast charging, making it a smart choice for budget-conscious users. Large 6.7-inch AMOLED display. The phone features a bright and colorful Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, providing smoother scrolling, better video playback, and a more enjoyable viewing experience. 128GB storage with expandable memory. With 128GB of internal storage, users get plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos. Expandable storage support gives even more flexibility. 50MP main camera. The 50MP rear camera captures detailed photos in daylight, making it great for social media, casual photography, and video recording. Octa-core performance. The 8-core processor handles daily tasks like browsing, messaging, YouTube, and social apps smoothly for everyday users. Dual SIM support. Perfect for work and personal use, the dual SIM feature allows users to manage 2 phone numbers on one device. Splash-resistant design. The splash-resistant body adds extra durability and protection for daily use. 25W fast charging. The included 25W fast charger helps recharge the battery quickly, reducing waiting time. Samsung software experience. Samsung's user-friendly interface offers a clean layout, smooth navigation, and useful features for productivity and entertainment. Pros. Large and vibrant AMOLED display. Smooth 90Hz refresh rate. Excellent value for the price. Good battery life for daily usage. 50MP camera performs well in daylight. Dual SIM and expandable storage support. Fast charging included in the bundle. Cons. 4GB RAM may feel limited for heavy multitasking. Not designed for high-end gaming. Camera quality drops in low-light conditions. Plastic build feels less premium. 4G only, no 5G connectivity. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G, an affordable 5G smartphone featuring a smooth AMOLED display, reliable performance, expandable storage, and Samsung's trusted security features. At around $138.89, the Galaxy A15 5G offers excellent value with 5G connectivity, a vibrant display, 128GB storage, and long battery life, making it one of the best budget phones in its class. 6.5-inch AMOLED display. The phone features a bright and colorful Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with a smooth refresh rate, delivering vibrant visuals for streaming, gaming, and social media browsing. 5G connectivity. With built-in 5G support, users can enjoy faster downloads, smoother streaming, and improved online gaming performance. MediaTek Dimensity processor. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity chipset, the Galaxy A15 handles everyday tasks smoothly, including browsing, video playback, messaging, and multitasking. 128GB storage plus expandable memory. The device comes with 128GB internal storage and supports expandable memory, giving users plenty of room for apps, photos, and videos. High-resolution camera system. Samsung includes a high-resolution main camera capable of capturing detailed photos and social media-ready content in good lighting conditions. Knox Security Protection. Samsung Knox Security adds an extra layer of protection for personal data, passwords, and apps. Super fast charging. The phone supports fast charging, helping users quickly power up the battery and stay connected longer. Stylish and lightweight design. The sleek blue-black finish gives the phone a modern look while remaining comfortable to hold during daily use. Pros. Bright and vibrant AMOLED display. Reliable 5G connectivity. Excellent value for the price. Expandable storage support. Good battery life for all-day usage. Samsung Knox security features included. Modern and stylish design. Cons. 4GB RAM may limit heavy multitasking. Camera performance weakens in low light. Plastic build feels less premium. Gaming performance is suitable mainly for casual users. Charging adapter may vary depending on region. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Meet the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G, a budget-friendly 5G smartphone with a vibrant AMOLED display, reliable performance, and premium Samsung features at an affordable price. At just around $138.89, the Galaxy A15 5G offers impressive value with 5G speed, 128GB storage, expandable memory, and Samsung Knox security, perfect for everyday users on a budget. 6.5-inch AMOLED display. Enjoy bright colors and sharp visuals on the Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with a smooth refresh rate for better scrolling, streaming, and gaming. Fast 5G connectivity. The Galaxy A15 supports 5G networks for quicker downloads, smoother video calls, and improved online gaming performance. MediaTek Dimensity processor. Powered by a MediaTek Dimensity chipset, the phone delivers stable everyday performance for apps, browsing, social media, and entertainment. 128GB storage plus expandable memory. Store more apps, photos, videos, and files with 128GB built-in storage and additional expandable memory support. High-resolution camera. Capture detailed photos and social media-ready content using the phone's high-resolution rear camera system. Samsung Knox Security. Samsung Knox helps protect your personal data, passwords, and apps with advanced built-in security features. Super fast charging. Fast charging support helps power up the battery quickly, keeping you connected throughout the day. Modern Samsung design. The blue-black finish gives the phone a sleek and stylish appearance while remaining lightweight and comfortable to hold. Pros. Bright and colorful AMOLED display. Reliable 5G connectivity. Great value for the price. Expandable storage support. Long-lasting battery life. Samsung Knox security included. Stylish and lightweight design. Cons. 4GB RAM may limit heavy multitasking. Camera quality drops in low-light situations. Plastic build feels less premium. Not ideal for heavy gaming users. Charger may not be included in some regions. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy S22 5G. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S22 5G, a premium compact flagship phone with powerful performance, stunning cameras, and a smooth 120Hz AMOLED display. As a renewed flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S22 offers excellent value by delivering premium Samsung features, flagship speed, and powerful cameras at a much lower price than newer models. Premium 6.1-inch AMOLED display. The Galaxy S22 features a sharp Full HD plus dynamic AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for vibrant colors, fluid scrolling, and an excellent viewing experience. Snapdragon flagship performance. Powered by a Snapdragon processor with 8GB RAM, the phone handles gaming, multitasking, streaming, and demanding apps smoothly. Advanced camera system. The high-resolution camera setup captures detailed photos and impressive videos with strong color accuracy and excellent daylight performance. Compact and premium design. Unlike many oversized phones, the S22 offers flagship performance in a compact and lightweight body that feels premium in hand. 5G connectivity. Enjoy ultra-fast downloads, smoother streaming, and reliable online gaming with built-in 5G support. Samsung software experience. Samsung's One UI provides a clean interface, smart features, strong customization options, and reliable software updates. Fast charging and wireless charging. The phone supports fast wired charging and convenient wireless charging for flexible everyday use. Renewed value advantage. Buying Renewed gives users flagship-level hardware and premium features at a significantly more affordable price. Pros. Beautiful 120Hz AMOLED display. Powerful Snapdragon performance. Excellent camera quality. Premium compact design. Wireless charging support. Strong Samsung software experience. Great value as a renewed flagship. Cons. Battery life is average compared to larger phones. Compact size may feel small for some users. Renewed condition can vary by seller. Fast charger may not always be included. Phone can warm up during heavy gaming sessions. If you want a compact flagship phone with premium features at a great price, the Galaxy S22 is definitely worth checking out. Check the link in the description for the latest price and deals, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews.